In this problem, we're going to solve a quadratic equation in the complex number system. We want to solve the equation 4x squared minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0 in the complex number system. We notice that this is a quadratic equation in standard form. This is the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we'll go ahead and use the quadratic formula here, and we identify that a is equal to 4, b is equal to negative 4, and c is equal to 5. The quadratic formula, x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. So we'll plug in our values for a, b, and c. So we'll have negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times 5, all over 2 times 4. I'll clean that up. We'll get a positive 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 80, all divided by 8. We'll have 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 64 divided by 8. And we can simplify this radical because we're dealing with a complex number system. We'll have 4 plus or minus 8i. The square root of 64 is 8. The square root of negative 1 is the imaginary unit I. All of that divided by 8. There's a common factor of 4 that we can cancel. This will end up giving us 1 plus or minus 2i divided by 2. We'd like to write this in our standard form for complex numbers. So we could write 1/2 plus or minus 2/2 I. Again, we can simplify 2/2 as 1. So we'll end up with 1/2 plus or minus I. And if we write this in our solution set form, the solution set will be 1/2 minus I, 1/2 plus I.